How long does salmonella last in cats? Have you ever wondered how long salmonella can stick around in our feline friends? Well, let's break it down. Salmonella infection in cats, known as salmonellosis, is not very common. However, it can happen, especially in younger, older, or immunocompromised cats. The duration of the infection can vary a lot. It depends on the cat's health, the specific strain of salmonella, and whether the infection is just in the gut or has spread throughout the body. Most cats that come into contact with salmonella do not show any signs of being sick. These cats can become asymptomatic carriers. This means they can shed the bacteria in their feces for weeks or even months without appearing ill. This carrier state is important because it means that even healthy-looking cats can spread salmonella to other animals or humans. When symptoms do show up, they can include vomiting, diarrhea, fever, and lethargy. In more severe cases, a cat may experience dehydration or weight loss. If a cat does become ill, the acute phase usually lasts a few days to a week. However, the shedding of salmonella in their feces can continue long after the visible symptoms have gone away. From a veterinarian's perspective, especially when it comes to raw food diets, it is essential to know that raw or undercooked meat is a common source of salmonella for cats. Even if a cat does not get sick after eating contaminated food, they may still carry the bacteria and pose a risk to others. Diagnosing salmonella infection in cats can be tricky. The symptoms can look like those of other gastrointestinal diseases. To confirm a diagnosis, veterinarians often need to conduct laboratory tests, such as bacterial cultures or polymerase chain reaction tests on fecal samples or rectal swabs. For pet owners, there are some practical steps to take. Keep an eye out for any signs of gastrointestinal illness after feeding raw food. Good hygiene is vital, so wash your hands thoroughly after handling raw food or cleaning litter boxes. Consider the risks and benefits of raw diets, especially if you have young children, elderly individuals, or immunocompromised people in your home. If your cat shows persistent or severe symptoms, or if you suspect salmonella exposure, consult a veterinarian. In summary, salmonella can linger in cats for weeks to months, whether they show symptoms or not. Cats on raw diets may be at a higher risk of exposure and should be monitored closely for their health and the safety of those around them. Veterinarians play a key role in guiding pet owners on these risks and how to manage them effectively.